Hey everyone, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. again. Today, for supper, we are making pasta fagioli. Basically, that's pasta and beans in soup form. For the beans, normally it uses white beans and kidney beans, but we only got kidney beans. Along with that, we've got our ground beef, we have our Tuscan herb infused extra virgin olive oil. It is a mix of garlic, oregano, rosemary, and marjoram, all in one. We're using some Fagioli pasta sold at the Olive Oil Co. from Fagioli. It's a beautiful pasta, as well as our A Premium dark balsamic that's actually cooked in copper kettles before it is aged in the wood barrel. We've got some other veggies that we're going to be throwing in this soup, and we're going to get to those very soon. So with this recipe, what we're going to do is we're going to cook our pasta first and then add that to the soup. Some people like to add the pasta to the soup and let it cook in there. What I love about this pasta from Fagioli, the Fagioli, is this pasta comes straight from Italy. It's just durum wheat semolina. It's the type of pasta that doesn't make you feel bloated later and kind of feel bleh. So first we're going to put our Tuscan herb olive oil in the pot for the soup. We're going to start with about 2 tablespoons. So as our pasta water is getting to a boil, we're going to add the ground beef to our Tuscan herb olive oil. Just get it all nice and brown and get some flavor on there. And we're just going to add a cup of pasta. Water. The nice thing about this pasta from Fagioli actually is it does grow in size. So we've added our 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup carrots, 1 cup celery, half a cup of onion, and we're just going to get all that in there along with the herbs, which is 1 teaspoon oregano dried, 2 teaspoon dried basil, a pinch of red chili flakes, and salt and pepper. Let them all mingle. So our pasta's cooked to the perfect al dente. So you don't want it too soft. You want it just nice and chewy. So now we are adding our kidney beans. Doing the A Premium dark balsamic. Add some nice zip to our soup, as well as 3 cups of tomato sauce. Our 2 cups chopped tomatoes. And the 2 tablespoons tomato paste. So we were almost done our tomato, so we just swished a cup and a half of water in there. Add that to the mix. So now that we've brought this to a boil, what you want to do is turn it down to medium-low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And add liquid if needed, as it does evaporate over time. Oh yeah. So we've turned our burner down to low, and we're going to be adding the pasta to the soup and cook it for an extra 5 minutes. Let's get that Fagioli in there. Man, I'm hungry. I don't know about you guys, but I am excited to dig into this soup. Let's take a look. Oh man. That Looks absolutely amazing and delicious. Alright, so let's get this served up. So that Fagioli is nice and perfect. Do one little finished drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on top. A nice finished drizzle of traditional dark balsamic. Yeah. And of course some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. A little sprinkle of parsley. So this recipe takes about 40 minutes to make, from start to finish. We're starving. We are so ready to have this pasta fagioli. And we will see you guys next time.